Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the 5th day of April. Time as I make this is 3:23 a.m. Good morning. My name is Rich, and we're going to talk about a 2-day severe weather event. Part 1 today. Part 2 would be tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. All right. Completely separate. All right. For most of us, the threat will begin this morning for today's threat, and there's going to be a lot of heavy rain with it. There will be almost certainly a tornado watch. Some of the storms will produce damaging wind gusts. There will be warnings, and our weather app will keep you on top of the action. A few of the storms will start to rotate. There'll be a few tornadoes perhaps with this situation. For a lot of us, this threat will go into, let's say, early to middle afternoon. And then if you live in southeast Alabama, you'll have to add on a few hours. It goes till early evening. You follow me? All right, that's today's threat. Tomorrow's threat is completely different. It starts, let's say, late tomorrow afternoon, more likely for a lot of us tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, as a strong cold front moves through the state with locally severe storms and again, another tornado threat. Then much cooler air floods in back behind it. What a shock to the system that's going to be to have, upper 30s by the time we wake up on Sunday morning. Yeah, a lot to talk about. Let's get into the details here. On the map this morning, I want to point out that northward moving warm front. You see that around Mobile? That'll be lifting northward today. Locally heavy rains out ahead of it. Then behind it is the warm air sector where the biggest threat of severe weather will be. So by 1 o'clock this afternoon, that warm front has made it into North Alabama, and the impulse in Mississippi is aiding the threat of severe weather with instability and warm, moist air. Then tomorrow night, there's the main cold front that'll be causing tomorrow's severe weather threat as we get into tomorrow afternoon late into the evening hours. So here's today. Lots of rain with this system and also some strong to severe storms and maybe a few rotating storms producing tornadoes. This is one of the high-res models at noon today showing the I-65 corridor under assault at that hour, and in southeast Alabama would be later in the day. This is another model at 12 noon. It's a little bit faster on that particular model. So we're in an enhanced severe weather risk. Level 3 today, including the threat of damaging wind gusts. That would be the main risk, but a few tornadoes not out of the question, and I think there will be a tornado watch today. All right, so we're looking at risk 1 today and then risk 2 tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms today, locally heavy rainfall with a high today in the lower 70s. Tonight's low 64. Gusting on the winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour today, and occasionally gusting a little higher than that. Then part 2 would be late Wednesday afternoon in through Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, as a strong cold front moves across the state with strong to severe thunderstorms again and an enhanced severe weather risk mainly across the northeastern counties tomorrow. But all of us are in a concerning level 2 risk with the threat of all modes of severe weather, including damaging wind gusts and the possibility of a few tornadoes as well. Rainfall could be heaviest today, but this is the total rainfall from part 1 and part 2. 2 to 3 inches perhaps, some places even heavier, 3 to 5 inches not out of the question. So a major rainfall event. Then windy and sharply cooler behind the front on Thursday, only in the lower 70s, but the wind will make it seem cooler. Friday is simply too cool for April. It'll feel more like early March with temperatures in the lower 60s. Same thing on Saturday, just a real setback temperature-wise. And the coldest morning will be actually Sunday morning. We could be in the upper 30s on Sunday morning. I think we'll be a little warmer in the afternoon, maybe lower 70s. So we're looking for a high in the middle 80s tomorrow with round 2 of severe weather beginning late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Then much cooler and windy on Thursday. Look at that as temperatures drop. 45 on Friday morning, 40 on Saturday morning, 38 on Sunday morning. Highs only in the lower 60s, but I think we'll be a little bit warmer by Sunday afternoon. So a lot of changeable weather here in the next couple of days. And to stay on top of it, get our free weather app on your phone or tablet. It's going to be your best friend today with instant push notifications for severe weather alerts, plus radar, future radar, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, and a whole lot more, including access to all these videos. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. Okay, I'm wearing a tie, so it's a severe weather day, and we'll be with you all day long, of course. Starting with live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We'll be following the situation there. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking about this situation on TV. Our first weather hit is at 5:50 a.m. on CBS 8 and ABC 32. We'll be interrupting as needed on the radio and on television today, and of course all over social media as well. Your weather app will instantly alert you to a severe weather watch or warning because it knows where you live. And you'll hear my voice occasionally come out of your phone, which is maybe a little startling. And of course, there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we bring you up to date on the Wednesday severe weather threat. All right, you're up to date now. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. That's 8 stations. Stay weather aware today. I know you will. We'll keep you up to date.